In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default card on Royal Caribbean app. This process updates the card used for onboard purchases during your cruise, which is essential for a smooth experience while you enjoy your vacation. Let's get started. First, open the Royal Caribbean app on your mobile device. You'll see the app icon, which typically features a simple design representing the cruise line. When the app launches, it may take a moment to load depending on your internet connection. This is a crucial first step as the app serves as your gateway to managing your cruise experience. Once the app is fully open, you are ready to proceed. Next, sign into your Royal Caribbean account. On the main screen, look for the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner. Enter your email and password associated with your account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials for accuracy. Signing in allows you to access personalized features and settings, keeping your account secure and tailored to your needs. After entering your information, tap the Sign In button. Once signed in, you'll have access to all the necessary features. Now that you're signed in, tap your profile. This is often represented by a profile icon or your initials, usually located in the upper corner of the screen. Tapping your profile allows you to access your account settings, including payment details, which is where we need to go for this task. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it holds key information related to your cruise experience and preferences. From there, tap Payment Method or Change Payment Method. This option may be labeled differently depending on the app version, but will generally be easy to locate within your profile settings. Selecting this option takes you to a screen where you can view and manage the payment methods linked to your account. Understanding this section is vital, as it ensures that your purchases on board go smoothly without any payment hiccups. Next, select the default saved card. You'll see a list of your saved payment methods. Tap on the card you wish to set as your default. This step is important because it determines which card will be charged for all your onboard purchases during the cruise. Choosing the correct card ahead of time can save you from potential confusion later on, ensuring that your experience remains enjoyable and stress-free. After that, change the details including name, card number, and expiration date. Make sure to enter everything accurately. This part is essential to ensure that your transactions are processed without any issues. Double-check the information you entered to avoid any mistakes. You want to guarantee that your new card details are correct so that your purchases go through smoothly on board. You may also add a nickname, which is optional. This feature can help you easily identify the card in the future, especially if you have multiple cards saved. Adding a nickname can be a simple way to personalize your payment method. This small customization can save you time later when making quick purchases on board, ensuring you can enjoy your cruise without unnecessary delays. Finally, save your changes. Once you have updated all necessary information, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this button confirms your changes, and the newly selected card becomes the default payment method for your onboard expenses. This assures you that your new card is set and ready to go for your upcoming cruise. Note, if you don't see the option to change your default card in the app, you can update it through My Royal Cruise on the Royal Caribbean website. This alternative ensures that you still have a way to manage your payment methods. Keep in mind that any authorization holds already placed on your previous card may remain until your bank releases them, even after you switch to a new default card. Following these steps ensures a seamless experience on your cruise, allowing you to focus on enjoyment rather than logistics. Thank you for watching.